Okay, here we have a 2002 Honda CBR600F4i. Ran when parked, as they say. So I'm going to turn the key on. You will not hear the fuel pump prime. Yep, no fuel pump prime sound. And now we're getting a code from the EFI light. One long flash. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 short flashes. Here it is again. One long flash. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a code 14. Code 14 is the number 3 injector. The number 3 injector was found to have no voltage going to it. I unplugged it, turned on the key, hooked up a multimeter. There was no voltage between the terminals on the plug, from the wires. Went to my Haynes manual, which is where I got the detail on what the code 14 means. And then I checked the injector itself. There's 2 terminals in the injector that the plug connects to. One of them is not supposed to be grounded. It wasn't, so that was good. The resistance across the 2 terminals on the injector is supposed to be in a range. I think it's like 1.1 to 2.2 ohms. Don't quote me, but it's ballpark like that. It was in range. It was just over 2 ohms. So that was encouraging. I was a little stumped as to why it wasn't getting power though. And then I came across another YouTube video where someone had a broken wire, and sure enough, if you look here on the ECM or ECU or brain or whatever you want to call it, oops, we have a wire here that used to go into this connector here, and it's broken right off. So now I'm going to try to get the pin out of here and see about splicing in some fresh wire here. I'd rather just buy a new harness, but they're not available. I might end up buying a used one. For now, I'm going to repair this one. And there you go. I'll update this later. Thank you.